Habit 4. Automated money management. Here's a universal truth. If you rely on willpower to save money, you will lose. Automation removes temptation, emotion, and forgetfulness. It's simple. The day after your paycheck arrives, money transfers automatically to savings, investments, debt repayment, emergencies, sinking funds. You're essentially paying your future self before today's impulses get a chance. Jennifer, a marketing manager in California, set up her system with automatic transfers. 15% to retirement, 10% to a travel fund, 5% to an emergency fund, 5% to a home savings fund. 6 months later, she had over $8,000 saved, without feeling like she was sacrificing anything. Why does it work? Because what you don't see, you don't spend. Will this system stay the same forever? No. As your life changes, so should your automation. But automation gives you a financial autopilot, one that quietly pushes you toward your goals while you're busy living life.